Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're gonna talk about the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which DJI has released a couple of months or a couple of weeks ago, can't remember. Anyway, and the main question is, if you have DJI Mini 3 Pro, should you upgrade to DJI Mini 4 Pro? My personal opinion is no. If you already have DJI Mini 3 Pro, it's no point to throw this one away and spend extra money on DJI Mini 4 Pro or sell it or just, I don't know, whatever. I don't think it's worth buying DJI Mini 4 Pro at the moment. Just because you got DJI Mini 3 Pro, there is no reason at all to sell it and buy newer. Unless you don't have the DJI Mini 3 Pro and you want to buy in, well, you don't have any drones at all and you want to get into drones, and there I will highly recommend to get the latest drone, which is DJI Mini 4 Pro. But if you have already DJI Mini 3 Pro and you're thinking maybe Mini 4 Pro is better, well, it's better at some point in terms of design, better design. I like the sensors. I like the sensor on DJI Mini 4 Pro, that they're not kind of inside the frame of the drone, but they kind of out a bit. And apart from that, I think they have newer system, which is DJI O3 or O4. Let's have a look. So let's go on DJI website and let's have a look what they got here. Now let's go on camera drones. We're gonna choose DJI Mini, and well, here you go. We got DJI Mini 4 Pro and DJI Mini 3 Pro. Well, let's go to learn more. Click learn more, and now let's compare them. And you're gonna see there is no big difference in terms of camera. I think the camera is still the same, and honestly, you're buying a drone to do photography and videography. You're not buying a drone to have the best design or to have the best functionalities if you don't need them. And now let's go. So you got DJI Mini 4 Pro here already, and let's have a look. Let's click, and yeah, now we're gonna make, looks like the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a bit more expensive than the new one, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Let's scroll down. It's same 249 grams. Well, dimensions, it's pretty much the same. Not a lot have been changed. Let's scroll down, and yeah, the max flight time is pretty much the same. You got a bit more time with Mini 3 Pro if you got battery plus, but you don't need that. And here you go, pretty much same. Max hovering time is pretty much the same. Flight distance, same again, is the same. Nothing has been changed. We're gonna scroll down, and internal storage, you got 2 GB with DJI Mini 4 Pro, but I would think it's not massive changes if you just put an SD card on this example, 256 gig on a drone. That will be a lot. That's what I got on my drone. And camera, here you go, that's what I needed, the camera. So here you go, the image sensor. I don't think, as you can see here, nothing has been improved or changed, and the camera is the same. It's no point upgrading the DJI Mini 3 Pro to DJI Mini 4 Pro. Lens, the same, is the same again, as you can see here. Nothing has been changed. So again, it's no point upgrading. Video, ISO, photo, you got, well, they added night features to the drone, which I think they optimized settings, the camera settings. So basically you choose night vision and the camera will gonna adjust settings accordingly. So basically it's an auto. So basically, like, we're gonna put I'm gonna fly the Mini 3 Pro on the night, and I'm gonna put auto function on the camera, and probably we're gonna do the same. Shutter speed, well, they added more details here, but I can say it's not a lot of changes. Max image size, not a lot have been changed. It's pretty much the same. Well, scroll down, still photography modes. You got, as I said, it's nothing have been changed in terms of camera. But if you buy a drone, you buy for cameras to do photography and videography. You're not buying to have the best design or to have the best and newer drone or latest drone. I can see here a bit of changes, I believe, in video. Let's have a look. You can shoot in 4K up to 100 frames per second, which is good. I think that's the only upgrade they did in terms of video. And well, full HD. Well, they added full HD, more frame per second, 200 frames per second. But to be honest, all gonna shoot full HD nowadays. Maybe you're gonna need make some extra slow motion video. But I don't think most of people will do that. I think it's pretty much the same. Nothing can be changed. So yeah, as you can see, it's not a lot have been changed in terms of camera. It's the same camera, pretty much same functionalities. It's just they improved the design, they improved the sensors, and well, pretty much that's it. As you can see, nothing have been changed. Oh yeah, they added video transmissions 04 to DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is a bit older here. So as I said again, if you got DJI Mini 3 Pro and you're thinking upgrading to DJI Mini 4 Pro, my personal view or personal opinion, it's no point upgrading from, well, already good drone to another same drone with better design and just slightly better improvements. I would probably say wait for a new mini drone from DJI. Apart from that, as I said again, I can't see me upgrading this drone to Mini 4 Pro, which I think is just a waste of money to get new design or latest drone. I think what this drone doesn't have is waypoints, which is good if you do some commercial works, but this drone is not designed to do commercial work. This is more designed for recreational and more like a hobby photography and videography. If you want to do commercial work, or if you're doing commercial work, you need something more heavier like a Mavic drone or Air drone. And I think, guys, that's my personal opinion on DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. And again, I see no point upgrading from this Mini 3 Pro to a Mini 4 Pro, which is, I think it just, they improved only the design and slightly better functionalities, and that's it, nothing else. What are you buying the drone for? Do photography and videography. So me personally, I'm buying a drone for a better camera. If the camera is the same, what's the point buying the drone? Basically buying same drone with better design, better functionality, pretty much the same. So here you go, you're gonna have to decide that for yourself, but that's my personal opinion. It's no point upgrading this drone for pretty much same drone with better design. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my video. If you really enjoyed watching my video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next video. If you have any comments, ask them below, and thumbs up. Thank you.